Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T60 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the system. Let's tap on it. Now let's enter the gestures. They should be on the 3rd position, and on the 2nd we've got navigation mode, so let's tap. Before we'll set the gestures, I'd like to enter the settings icon next to the 3 button navigation. As you can see, all you can do with the buttons is to decide whether you want to open the assistant by pressing and holding the home button. So this is the whole customization. To set the gestures, simply tap on this option at the top, gesture navigation, and as you can see, immediately instead of the 3 buttons, we've got the line, which will allow us to performing some gestures. We can enter the settings to check what we can do, and again, we've got the digital assistant and the back sensitivity. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need this back sensitivity to be lower or higher. Alright, and right now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. You'll see this arrow and you can release the finger. As you can see, we just got back. The same situation from the left side, but actually you can go back. If you want to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and make sure that this motion will be quick and short, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And after releasing, you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.